Hello, viewers. So today I have got something very special for you. Everyone wants to create a business website for their business. So I have got a platform which will create your website for free. Yes, its name is Wix. How to create a website using Wix? Let's do it. So this is the website of Wix. You can just click on website builder. Its link will open and let's get started. After getting started, you will have to continue with your Google account so that you can join. Continue with Google. Now it will just verify it and then it will get back to the Wix website to build your own website. Yeah, so this is the one. Create new folder or create new sites. Here you can create so many things, right? So let's go for your first sites. I want to create my site. So I have here, you can also come to Wix and create your first own website. Let me tell them that I want to create my portfolio as a YouTuber, right? Digital media portfolio. Next, let's go for enter your website name. Let's say my website name is ABC Media. ABC Media. Let's say what do you want to add to your website? My portfolio. And yeah, next. Go to dashboard. So it is preparing my dashboard. You can also follow these steps and it will just be crazy to create your website. Here is the dashboard opened. Hire a professional, explore. There are so many options over here. App market, updates and releases, inspiring websites. You can search courses and lessons, activities, sites and apps, website, mobile app. You can also create a mobile app using Webs, right? And you can create a portfolio, projects, collaborations, and collections. You can go for it. You can add a project, can connect your domain, and it will help you with so many things that you haven't done yet, right? The first step is to connect a custom domain. If you have it, you can just update your website type. So right now I have just updated my website type as portfolio. So it is just cut down the option. Now it is just asking me to add a custom domain. If I have, I will just add abcmedia.com if I have bought this. And if not, then I will leave this, right? And then add a project to your portfolio, add a project. Then here you can design your website, design your full website over here. We get found on Google, get started, and if you have a domain purchased, you can just connect it to that and your website. After this step, it will be published for free. Yes, it is the free website, and you have so many things over here. You can do marketing, SEO as well, email marketing, Facebook ads, and many things over here are free. You can just go for them and learn so many things from there. So this is the website that creates your website for free, right? Wix.com, good website to create your website. So if you want to create an app for mobile or a website, you can just come to this website for free and it will help you a lot. So this was for today. Thank you so much. Have a good day and learn for it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.